Hello folks, welcome back to the channel Ride with Richie. I hope you are safe and well today. My name is Richard D'Souza and I make content about motorcycles, motorcycle travel, accessories and maintenance. This is my Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 and today we are going to install a Hitchcock's accessories socket on my motorcycle. I will show you how it looks. So this is the socket which I bought from Hitchcock's. This video is not sponsored. I bought these items with my own money. So this is the clamp which sits on the fork leg of the motorcycle, and this is the socket which has two USB ports on it, and both of them are 2.1 ampere and 5 volts, which is fast charging for the mobile phones. And this particular port sits inside the back of the headlight. This is a very sleek design by Hitchcock's. I've seen it on Fiona's Interceptor and I loved it, so I thought I'll get this mod done on my motorcycle as well. So in case if you are interested in this mod, stick around and stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how it is done. To do this job, all you need is a star screwdriver as well as a Allen key. The skill level required to do this job is literally basic or no skill at all. So all you have to do is you have to loosen the screw on the headlight, and this particular bracket over here comes loose and the headlight pops out. You can leave it resting on the mudguard over here. If you don't want to get it scratched, just put a cloth over it and just leave it there. It's not going to move anywhere. And yeah, I'll show you exactly how to fit the socket on this side. I'm going to fit it on this side. I don't want to put it on right hand side because I have my phone mount over here as well, so I would prefer it on this side. You can always do it on the right hand side as well. So if you want to know where the wire comes in from, there are holes over here where all the cabling is coming from. Okay, let me show you. There's plenty of gap over here in this, so you can route the wire through here. I'll show you exactly how it's done in a minute. I'll put the camera on the tripod and let's get going with the job. So first thing first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this ring over here, and this is such a simple task to do. Okay, so open the ring and pass it through the smaller hole on this bracket, and that goes in there. Pass the ring through this one over here, and then we'll tighten this over here. Perfect. You don't have to tighten it fully. We can adjust it later at a later stage, because this one turns as well, so that you can see how I do it. Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to put the accessory socket over here in this gap. Let's see how that goes. All you have to do is take out these two screws. My hands are oily and slippery because I was applying ACF 50 on this bike, and the residue is left all over the place, hence my hands are slippery. Nevertheless, perfect. Whoop. With that note, I dropped it and I scratched it a little bit, but no problem. So I'm gonna pass the cable over here for now, and then make some space and leave this socket over here. Turn the handlebar towards the right hand side. Place the clamp at the back and run the screws through this and thread them in. Nice and easy, no headache. Even on this side, it's always advised that you cover the tank when you're doing such tasks so that you don't scratch the tank. Okay, this is exactly where I will leave it. There's a reason why am I leaving it over here, because it will give you some protection. All of a sudden if it starts raining, the rain won't get into this because it will give you some protection. And then let me tighten this. I leave the flap on this side so that I can open it like this. Alright, let me tighten this a little bit. Perfect, that's done. Now it's time to plug the wire. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send the wire through this gap over here. There's plenty of space over here, so all you have to do is make some room and just send it through. That's that. And then this is the actual cable where it will get plugged in. So it will get plugged in only one way. As you can see, there is a tab over here and there is a hole over here. I hope you all can see it. And then just plug it in, and this is how it sits. Okay, the moment of truth. Let me switch on and see if that works and the light comes on. Let me take you guys off the tripod and open the accessory socket, and let's switch on the ignition. There we go, boom, this is on. Awesome. Okay, let me put everything back together and tighten everything. First thing, I'll tighten this one over here so that it stays snug and doesn't move around. Close this. This is fine. This one I've already tightened it, and now it's time to put the headlight back in place. Let's see how that goes. I opened it fully and I dropped the bloody plug. Okay, so this goes like this. In case if this pops out, this is all the assembly what you have. So there is this particular nut and a screw. So this, it's curved like this, so this goes this way on top. So you keep it like this and then tighten the screw, and then that should sit there in place. Okay, this is how it sits. And then what you have to do is, there is a small tab over here which will go into the gap over here of this headlight. So all you have to do is just keep it in position. For some reason it is not sitting in the position right now. And then take your screwdriver and tighten it. It feels like nothing is happening, but after a while it starts getting tightened. And that's that. That's done. Final check once again if this is coming on. Perfect. Yep, it's on. Well and good. I'll show you from the top once again how it looks. So this is the accessory socket fitted over here. Looks pretty clean, even from the top. As you can see, it's tucked away nicely. And let me switch it on and show you how it looks. Okay, I'll keep this open. I've placed this tab over here this way because it's easy for me to pull it like this. Because if you put it on the other side, you'll have to struggle. This is easy. Keep it open like this, and there we go, it's on. All is well. Brilliant. So folks, I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case if you have liked it, please do not forget to hit the like button and to leave me a comment in case if you want to know anything more. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome content like this. And thank you for all those subscribers. I've just crossed the 1500 subscriber mark and my channel just got monetized as well. I'm really thankful and grateful to you guys for your love and support so far. And I will be bringing you guys some more good videos like this. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Ride safe. Bye bye. Take care.